Bring focus to the state of Madhya Pradesh. Minister Kailash Vijayvargiya on Indore water contamination has come out to say, and I quote, the source of the contaminated water has been identified and is being repaired. The situation will be back to normal within a day or two. People should boil water before drinking it. I cannot comment on the number of deaths at this time. However, we will be providing 2 lakh rupee each to the families of those who have died. This is what we're learning about the Indore water tragedy that it struck. In fact, very disturbing details that had come in of how contaminated water, which had even been flagged by the residents there, caused several people to die, hundreds of people who are still under treatment.
डेथ कितनी हुई अभी मैं नहीं बोल सकता, क्योंकि ऑफिशियल आंकड़े डॉक्टरों से पूछने के बाद ही बताऊंगा। बाकी जिनकी भी मृत्यु हुई है उनके परिवार को हम 2-2 लाख रुपए देंगे। जितने भी पेशेंट आए हैं सबको हम निःशुल्क इलाज करा रहे हैं। यहाँ पर बैठकर एम्बुलेंस हमने 5 लगा रखी है। जो भी ऐसा गंभीर पेशेंट आ रहा है उसको तत्काल हम भेज रहे हैं। किसी का भी इलाज में एक नया पैसा खर्च नहीं हो, इसके लिए हमने इंश्योर किया है। और मैं यहाँ पर बैठा हूँ, जब तक भागीरथपुरे में एक भी ऐसा समय नहीं आएगा कि एक भी पेशेंट नहीं आएगा जब तक हम यहीं बैठकर वो पूरी व्यवस्था को मैनेज करेंगे।
Viewers, that is the very situation currently in Indore with regards to the tragedy that struck the city in Madhya Pradesh. In fact, at least 7 lives have been lost so far, according to the reports. Hundreds of others have fallen ill after the drinking water contaminated in the city's Bhagirathpura area was consumed by the residents there. What was once a routine complaint about poor water quality has now turned into a nightmare and nothing less of a humanitarian crisis, leaving families devastated and the city in complete shock. And this, let us tell you viewers, is not just a story about contaminated and tainted water, but about a system that has failed its people at this point. Here's a report on what exactly went down, while we've also brought to you the latest updates into this very story.
While much of the country is busy welcoming the new year with hope and celebration, Indore is mourning. At least 7 people have lost their lives and 150 others from the Bhagirathpur area have been hospitalized over the past few days, allegedly after consuming contaminated drinking water. The residents have been complaining of a foul smell and strange taste in the municipal water supply for months now. Their warnings, they say, were ignored. Today, those ignored complaints have turned into fatalities. Anger is now simmering.
अभी जब ये नई लाइन डली, इसके बाद से कुछ ज्यादा पानी उसमें मिल गया है और बीच में क्लोरीन बोल के बोलता था क्लोरीन ज्यादा हो गई है, बदबू आ रही थी पानी। इसके बाद से ये अभी हफ्ते भर से ये ज्यादा पानी इसमें गंदगी मिल गई है।
नगर निगम की लापरवाही है, वो काम से सही करते, दिक्कत आती नहीं इसकी। इनको शिकायत करते टंकी पे, ये सब बैठ के वहाँ पे होते हैं, भैया हो अभी हमारी सुनवाई नहीं हो रही है, अभी ऐसा नहीं हो रहा, वैसा नहीं हो रहा है। बोरिंगों की मोटर शार्ट पड़ी है, 20 दिन से हम लोग परेशान हैं।
उनको तो बस खाली पैसा चाहिए,
लेके आया
संपत्ति कर दो, कचरा दो, नल का बिल भरो, बाकी जनता की कोई चिंता परवाह नहीं, कोई मरो या जियो।
India today visited the area where the sewage line runs close to the water pipeline and is a possible source of contamination. The administration says it has surveyed 2,703 households.
प्राथमिकता ये है कि लोगों को ठीक से इलाज मिले, इसलिए हमने घर घर सर्वे कर रहे हैं, हम खुद फील्ड में लोगों से बात कर रहे हैं।
Facing mounting pressure, the Mohan Yadav government has acted. A zonal officer and an assistant engineer of the civic body have been suspended and a sub-engineer sacked. The Chief Minister has announced 2 lakh rupee in compensation for each bereaved family.
जिनकी भी डेथ हुई उनको माननीय मुख्यमंत्री जी ने 2-2 लाख रुपए की सहायता देने का बोला और भी उनकी मदद करने की आवश्यकता होगी तो हम करें। प्रथम दृष्टया कुछ लोगों को तो सस्पेंड किया है, बाकी और भी इस पे जांच कमेटी बना दी है, इसमें कोई भी दोषी होगा उसको बरसाए छोड़ेंगे।
The Congress has demanded a case of culpable homicide be registered against the mayor and municipal commissioner. The party alleges repeated pleas for clean drinking water were systematically ignored. As the death toll mounts, questions grow louder. This is not just a failure of pipes and walls. How did poisoned water flow into people's homes? Who ignored the warning signs? And when will we fix accountability? With Dharmendra Kumar Sharma, Bureau Report, India Today.